Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Damilola. In case you're stopping by for the first time, please don't make this your last. Don't be a visitor here, okay? In today's video, we are going to be talking about the correct order to apply your makeup. This video is going to give you the right order to apply your makeup, especially as a beginner. So you want to stick around for this one. Do not go anywhere. So the first thing I will do is to do my skin prep, and get my face ready for the makeup. It is important to do your skin prep because you want to set a solid base. I don't want to say foundation for your makeup. I feel like in order to have a flawless finish, in order to achieve the smoothest and makeup, it is important to have a good skin prep. And I feel like people don't talk about the difference between skin prep and skin care enough. Okay, this is not a video for it, but just know that skin prep is basically getting your skin ready for the makeup. I think I should say this, that for your skin prep you don't need too much. You should only focus on hydrating and moisturizing your face. End of story. I already cleansed my face, so the next thing I'm going to do is to activate is to bring back moisture to my face because it's been a while I've cleansed it. And I'll be using this toner. This rose water toner is from Gonna Effect. So I will just like spray it all over my face and just. Next up for my skin prep is my moisturizer, and I'll be using this one from Cosrx. To round up my skin prep, the last thing I'm going to use is my sunscreen. Yes, even if you have makeup on, you need your sunscreen. Do not forget your sunscreen, guys. It is very important. So we are done with the skin prep now, and the skin has life. Okay, and the next thing after your skin prep is the primer. The primer is like a middleman between the skincare and makeup. Okay, it serves as grip, to ensure that your makeup lasts all day. It also protects the skin from absorbing the makeup. Yeah, I have two primers. I have this one from Classic and I have this one from Rimmel. This Classic is more matte than this, so it depends. Just choose a primer that fits your skin. I mean, if your skin is dry, I don't think you need a matte primer. So there are other hydrating primers that you can go for. But next, after skin prep, is your primer, and make sure you get a good one. Okay. Okay. I forgot to mention that you are to apply your primer on places that you would usually sweat. Okay, make sure you avoid your under eye area. You do not need primer for that place. If you are a beginner, I will advise that you start your makeup from your eye area, and since this video is basically for beginners, we are going to do just that. So we are going to start with the eye area. That is because as much as you can, you need control, especially if you are doing shimmer eyeshadow or something like that. You need control and you need balance. So I'm going to start with my brows and I'll move to other parts of the eye area. Remember, we need control and we need balance. Balance because your hand will be resting on your face as you apply the product, and if you do not have a hang of it yet, you don't want your makeup to smear, and you don't want your hand to pack your makeup. Am I making sense? I think I am. Let's get right into it. The first thing we are doing here is the brows. Already my brows are microbladed, so I just put the hair in place and I'm tracing it out with my sharp pencil. Then I concealed my brows because we need the brows looking well defined and well shaped. Then I used concealer as primer on my eyelid in preparation for the eyeshadow that will be put on it. After that, I also set it with a setting powder because we don't want the creamy product moving around. I also used the brown eyeshadow on my crease, just to like bring back shadow on the eye. Then once you are done with this, the next thing is your eyeliner. After you've done your eyeshadow, your eyeliner, mascara, then eyeliner again on the lower eye and tight corner, and if you feel like it, your eyelashes in that order. Now that we are done with the eye area, the next thing is to use our foundation. You need foundation in order to even out your skin tone. However, if you have a lot of discoloration, now is the time to use your corrector or concealer before you use your foundation. Make sure it's not too much. You just apply it on the areas where you have dark spots or hyperpigmentation, discoloration. Then your foundation. As for me, I will go in with my foundation. I am done with my foundation, and to further conceal my dark circles and lighten up my face, I will go in with my concealer. Concealer is like foundation, but it has a creamier and thicker formula. So I'm going to be using two types of concealer. One that is two shades darker than my skin, and the other one is two shades darker than my skin. I'm going to put the brighter one on areas where I want to brighten up, areas where I want to reflect light on my skin. However, after doing that, the face will look bare, and we need to bring back dimension shadow. So I'm going to use the darker shade of concealer on, just here, from the top, right top of my hair down my cheek. Okay, so that is going to like bring back dimension to the face. Honestly, for this you can use either concealer or bronzer. If you have a creamy bronzer, now is the time to use it with your concealer. If you want to use a creamy blush, now is the time to use it so that you can blend everything together. Now that we have applied our creamy product, the next thing is to go in with setting powder in order to lock all of this creamy products in place so that it doesn't move, and in order to absorb oil. Guys, note that if you have a darker shade of powder, you can put it on the areas where we contoured, or if you have bronzer, you can also use that. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with my under eye and also contour the rest of my face. While doing this, I will also use my blush. That one is in a powder form, so I will apply it. I have set my face, I have locked all the creaming products in. So the next thing I'm going to do is my highlighter, and I'm going to be applying it on again areas where I want light to reflect on my face. That is my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and if you like, just a bit on your forehead. Now you can use a fan brush or a tapered brush. It depends on anyone you are comfortable with. Now is the time to take care of our lips. So I am done with my lips, and I also went ahead to use my setting spray to lock everything in, and now we have a whole look. If you have enjoyed this video, or if you have learned a thing or two, please kindly like, comment, share, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.